Hey everybody, it's 2GK-MOTO here, Kyle, coming at you with a unboxing video. These are some pretty cool tools that I found on Finger Hut. They didn't cost very much, they're like 160 bucks or something like that. It's actually, I think it's a great value. I say we get to unboxing these things and see what we got going on here. Do me a favor, like, share, subscribe. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Of course, we always want to see you hit that bell. Whoops, almost fell there. Let me fix this and we will get right back to what we were doing. All right. Hopefully, what we have in this box is what I've been waiting on. Get that put back in here. Ooh, we got bubbly. Plenty of bubbly wrap or whatever. Yep, there we go. We have plenty of it. We can possibly use this on another shipping disaster. What do we got here? This is my Finger Hut order form for my master Ratchet stuff. We'll see what the quality of these things are for sure, because I bought them. Nice box though. I bought them so that way I would have some decent ratchets, because the ones that I have are actually quite dinky and they're not very useful. At least they won't be for long, I don't think. Anyways, so that's just me. But let's see if we can cut this box here. Nice box, nice packaging. All right, I don't know if you guys can see this or not. Dun, 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 dun. Oh yeah. Hey, that's pretty cool. They were actually super cool. But I am liking this a lot. Let's see, let's dig it open and see what we got going on here. Let's see what we got going on here. I'm not a big fan of trash, so we'll put all the trash we come off of right here in this here box. So far it looks like a pretty good set. I guess I really won't know until I use it, but they can't be too bad. What's this here? Oh, this is just a little filler piece. Yeah, they look pretty decent. This is my 1/4 inch. Nice little 1/4 inch. It says Powerbuilt there on the top of it. I don't know if you guys can see that, if it zooms in that good or not. I'm not quite sure how to perfectly use my GoPro yet, so bear with me, please. But yeah, this looks like a nice little one. They even got, okay, so we got short and 3-inch and 6-inch extensions for that 1/4 inch. That's super cool. I found this set just on a whim, actually, just looking around on Finger Hut and seeing what I could find. I don't know. Hopefully they work out pretty well, because they seem like they're nice. Once again, got the Powerbuilt on the back. They kind of remind me of like a Husky brand or something. They have little adjustments and stuff like that where you can take them apart and fix them, so hopefully they hold up to what they actually are. These are nice. You can barely even hear them. I like that a lot. That means they got good gears in them. Here we have our 3/8. Is that what I'm guessing it is? Yeah, this is our 3/8. Check that out. You can get in any little crack and crevice that you can think of. That's really, really nice, actually. Stick that back here. And we have our 1/2-inch breaker socket. This is not a ratchet. This is just a socket breaker bar. It says Powerbuilt CRV. That's what all of them actually say. Yeah, that's actually a really, really nice set, man. We got our little 3-inch, 1/2-inch drive sockets extension. We also have our swivel head extensions as well. Look at that. Check that out. Also Powerbuilt 1/2-inch. That's another nice one. Let's see if we can get my tool collection got way slimmed down over the years. Back when I was still doing drugs and doing stupid things like that, I had a huge tool collection. Well, over time, it's actually been taken, just bits and parts of it have been taken, and bits and parts of it have kind of dispersed into little places. I actually have a bunch of stuff over there on the floor. I got some stuff over on my shelves. Just not, these drawers are full of mechanics tools, not even close to what I'd like, but this is definitely gonna be a big deal for me. I seen these and I thought to myself, like, wow, I was just looking for some good ratchets too. When I actually changed the carb on this four-wheeler right here, I just recently changed the carburetor, which I have another one that I have to do on the green Coolster, the same four-wheeler as this, it's just green. I also have to tighten the chain on that one and all that fun stuff as well. So yeah, but these so far, these are nice, man. This is a good set. I'm impressed. I was definitely not expecting it to be as good a quality, I guess, as this is. I'm definitely gonna go back on Finger Hut and see what I can find. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go see what else Powerbuilt actually has. Because if they have a socket set that will go with this, I'm probably gonna get it and we'll see how it goes. I haven't looked up any reviews or anything on any of this stuff, so you have to bear with me. That's pretty much our review on these Powerbuilt tools. I'm impressed. 16-piece set, master ratchet set, and accessory set. On the top it says the contents of what's in the package and all that fun stuff. It says 72 tooth ratchet 1/4 inch, 72 tooth ratchet 1/4 inch, or 3/8. Yeah, basically just as a power, it just shows everything that comes in the box, but I mean, it's got the cool sticker on there. He from Powerbuilt. I just have to find out where I'm gonna stick this at now. I'm gonna stick it right here for right now until I build up some more shelves and stuff, and then we'll kind of go from there. I definitely have to build up some more shelves. I have to get some more stuff put together in my garage. I'm gonna get this stuff out of here, and then I want to take and build maybe some wraparound shelves, kind of keep this for the carpentry stuff, and this side over here I like to keep for my mechanics tools. So one day that'll be in a video as well. Till then, we'll see you then.